What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we'll be doing another LED DIY headlight bulb install. Big thank you to Oxilam for sending out some headlight bulbs. So today we'll be working on my brother-in-law's 2015 Honda Accord. So I always recommend LED upgrades over your traditional halogen bulbs, which are what some of the older cars come with. They last longer, they are much brighter at night, so a lot of advantages to upgrading from your halogen to an LED bulb. So this is the car that we're working with today. This is the 2015 Honda Accord. So the nice thing is they do come with these projectors. So with the LED bulb upgrades, it's gonna look so much brighter. So let's go ahead and turn on the headlights, see how they look first. So this is how it currently looks right now. You guys can see it has a yellow hue to it, the halogen bulbs. So we're gonna upgrade it to new LEDs, gonna give it a nice crisp bright white. Also, his lands are a little bit faded, so what I'll do is off the store, you can get this from any auto parts store. Headlight Lens Restore, like 10 bucks, and I'm gonna go ahead and buff it out. So first step, you're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Around, pop the hood. You want to make sure you're doing this not after your headlights are on for too long, otherwise it's going to be hot. Alright, so first we're going to work on the driver's side headlight bulb. So headlight bulb's right here, and on the 2015 Accords it's super easy. Come around over here, you can see that right here, this right here is the bulb itself. So super easy to see. So I can just feed my hand, turn it lefty loosey. I already loosen it, and then now there's a clip. So I'm gonna go ahead and unclip it. See, you can see there's a bulb. Go ahead and unclip. And if you have big hands like me, it might be a little hard, but see, you can pull the whole bulb out, unclip. There it is. Cool. All right, so let's show you guys what we have in this Oxilam box. So instructions. Provided some nice white gloves. I'm just going to use my old gloves. And here are the LED bulbs. Let me take one out, show you guys. So LED bulb versus your original halogen bulb. Much heavier construction, much more durable material. Also with the halogen, you can see it's kind of like this glass plastic case, which over time gets bad and can break. This is so much more durable. Obviously same clip design. And these are meant for the car, so it's not universal. So yeah, in terms of specifications, color temperature is 6500 kelvins. So that's the color. It's gonna be a nice bright white. And if you're wondering what bulb size for the 2015 Accords, it's either it's a H11. So right here it says H8, H9, H11, H11 size. So right now, again, comparison between the halogen versus the LED. We're gonna slap on the LED. So same way it came off. We're gonna go ahead and come over here, driver's headlight, fish for the same wire. So get my hands in here, see that wire? And same way that you clip it, you're just gonna clip. You can only go one way, so you're not gonna go the wrong way. Make sure it's nice and snug. You hear a clip. And then once it's clipped in, you're gonna feed it in the hole where it came out of. So feed it in, and it's gonna come out right here where the projector is. So earlier you are loosening it lefty loosey, now you're going righty tighty. So you wanna make sure it's nice and snug. We have over here on the driver's side on the right, that's your new LED halogen. So much brighter on the driver's side. So this headlight lens restore is magic. All I did was I put a little bit on a microfiber towel, just start buffing away by hand. If you have power tools like a buffer, that works great. But look at this, so much cleaner. So this side is done, this side is not done. You can see all that haze. Yeah, we're gonna knock out the passenger side. Alright, so already partially done part of the headlights. So again, headlight lens restore, can get this from any auto parts store. Microfiber type towel, You just put a little bit on here, sparingly, not too much. Work one surface area at a time. So right now, try to target this area. Just go in small circles. Apply a little bit of pressure. If you feel it a little rough like sandpaper, that's great because this thing does have a little bit of cutting compound. So you're gonna just slowly buff it out, go in circles. And if it's a really hot day like today, you want to work one small area at a time and do a few passes. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on this and get this all done. Now we're gonna go ahead and replace the halogen bulb in this passenger side. So it's right here. You can see it right there. So if you want to get it from here, this water reservoir is in the way, but you might be able to fit your hands through here. I have big hands, so we're gonna push it lefty-loosey. Alright, so you can remove this reservoir, don't need any tools, you just pull it out. So now you have much more space to get to your bulb. So lefty-loosey, push it, and then you can go ahead and pull it out right here. You can see that the bulb is all bad over time from heat, corrosion. So press and clip, all bulbs out. So we have the passenger side new LED bulbs in. Let's see how it's gonna look. Here you can see the new LED lights, so much brighter versus here is halogen. So let's go ahead and replace the driver side so we can compare the new bulbs. Alright, so both sides are done. So much brighter, especially at night you're gonna see a big difference. So yeah, simple DIY LED install. Alright, so there we have it. Super simple DIY install. Again, if you guys want to get your LED bulbs, you can hit the Oxilam's website. We'll have their link in the description of the video. So again, this will work for your 2015 Honda Accord. This is what we did it on. Any Honda Accord in the same generation, or as a matter of fact, pretty much any vehicle, similar process. Just find where the bulbs are, lefty-loosey, remove it. You don't need any tools. Simple DIY 5-minute install. So if you guys stay to the end, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.